How to vision board on Canva. Creating a vision board in Canva helps to visualize goals and manifest aspirations effectively, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So here, for example, is a blank canvas that I have, and then I'm going to click the elements here. So basically, I'm just going to try to find some elements already available here in Canva. And if I'm going to go ahead and open vision board, this is actually what it is. So it is kind of like a dream board. It is a collection of images and words that inspire and motivate you to reach your goals, and I'm going to try to put that in here. So first things first, healthy life, and I'm going to hit photos. Alright, so I'm just going to try to add something in here, and most likely, and of course, I'm going to try to find some free things to use. So say for example this one here, and then I'm just going to basically resize this one into smaller parts. Okay, there you go, and let's try to find something else. How about someone that is exercising? Alright, this one also. So I'm just going to try to put this in here. And yeah, basically that is just what I am going to do. So I'm just going to fill all of these in with pictures. Alright, there you go. So I have already compiled here all the photos that I want that is aligned with what I want for this year. So basically what I'm just going to do from now on is just add a text. So this is kind of like an optional, but I think it would be a lot better if you are going to basically do so. So I'm going to basically start doing that. Now the first thing is that I'm going to try to add a text related to family. Alright, there you go. So here's my vision board, and I have successfully created this one simply by just compiling some single photos into one. And I've also added some text in here, and yeah, basically congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to create a vision board here in Canva. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.